and cover the house. Well, we cover those they cover. You should enter my house and they're very correct for what you just analyze now because the landlord don't get interest for the tenant's property.
Why?
Now only you, yes. Like say as the tenant landlord did now, if you want to take insurance cover, you can only take fire insurance cover for the building. But now the tenants now go take the comprehensive household insurance for their own individual flats.
Okay.
The landlord no get, as long as the landlord no get interest, my landlord no get interest on my own property, the interest now in building. So he go only take fire policy for the building. But for me, we be tenants now me go take the comprehensive household insurance for my own house. We go cover my content and the house.
Okay. So make we love Michael. Make we can look now. As things take the now, the landlord can talk say he wants make every body they pay for this policy. He won't take them for for the
he love insurance.
And he still want to make everybody they pay to fit take up this policy. It still makes sense.
No, fit say me then, fit take them on their behalf, say me then pay to them made. No, get that right.
Oh.
Like I don't explain before, the only interest now in building, now in get building. So in the event they look say, okay, my building, what's in my interest now, my building, what if you happen to this building, maybe fire, maybe rain fall, or limited explosion, they will go bring down the building. Now the only insurance we in go take because now in interest. So it's now left for the tenants, the various tenants. Okay, I get interest too because I want to secure my property. I will take up this comprehensive household insurance. Now, I'll continue. So, because as long as you don't do fire for a building, get anything will happen. Even though if anything happen to the tenant's flat, fire burn them, the own fire policy we don't get for the building cover that part.
All right.
But now, when person come break, enter the tenant house. Now this place, this CHH insurance, comprehensive household insurance will come enter. Now that tenant will come claim insurance.
Okay, then they make we try see how much this policy take be.
Well, money for insurance now she can no be big money. All these things they talk. When the person don't ready, we just come narrate because there are several factors there where they take rate insurance to give say okay if I want to now how much you go pay and now all those things we go look into with the value of what you want to do before we go fit talk, so I can't waste time. But most of our people don't know.
And when you talk, say, shaking money to take Sabi, waiting, I suppose 5,000 naira, the consultant for 100.
So now the first picture.
Exactly. Help me solve the two riddles.
But I will picture where
they send out 190,000. They want to do as big Christmas.
Bonanza.
So come say, Bonanza, 190,000, come pay 80,000.
Black Friday.
When I finish, they go give you receipts.
Yeah.
And when they give you receipt, at the point of where we want to do the insurance, we'll give you proposal form where you will fill, and you will talk the list of things we want to insurance.
Yeah.
For that kind of thing, for benefit of doubt, at that point, we don't advise you say if you get a receipt, present your receipt. So in future, when claim day, arguments no go day. So it is best that as long as at that price you buy them and receipt day. But
if the receipt if the amount where I want to make una write for me no be in there on top the receipt, I want
make una put the original amount where it's supposed to be. We don't feel work amount.
Yes, well, as long as now waiting you don't present for the receipt that way give us confirm receipt, no problem. No, you don't get
what you they talk Ayede. We they look say we thought that thing now 190,000 naira, okay? But Bonanza happened, they sell them 30,000.
Black Friday.
When I want to do the insurance now, I talk say I want make it they reach that 190,000, not the 30,000.
You know they possible.
But the receipt where I get now for the 30,000 naira receipt.
Well, it is possible.
Okay.
It is very possible. Because we see situations like that. Even when we talk about motor insurance, things like that they always happen. It is very possible. Where we say yes, then they sell on this price. But as long as now what you disclose give us at the point of insurance, and if you prove them, so when it happen finish, we say we go do investigation.
True.
We no go look say then you buy them for Bonanza. We go look the actual value.
That is true. Now, but make you help us with this one now. This household, comprehensive household insurance and house owners level. Now, every day, Baba God, they bless us, right? Apart from 2020 level, where we say some people go tell you say they don't to buy properties and all that.
People buy property now, you know buy.
Okay, so if I get levels then for my house already, when I don't checkmate, and then the next day, person dash me laptop. How I want to take let to know say okay for the property where they have
something else join the existing one.
How will fit take do am? All right, so Shehu Ayede, welcome back.
Yes, sir.
All right, so on top of the matter as they take be, you hear the question as you take as Samuel from Sulere. It be like say plenty Nigerians not too sabi the one way popular pass life insurance. That is because the motor insurance because if you don't get
because they determine
compulsory by law.
So we don't forget household insurance. They compulsory by landlords.
No.
All right.
But we get people who see them, they do this insurance well, we get plenty customer. You know, say now the point where you say now the awareness,
exactly.
Even though the awareness not there, and that's why they try to use this opportunity, this platform to create the awareness. We follow people talk, all this kind of thing. You know, all the recent happening will happen for Lagos. Plenty people suffer. They suffer plenty loss. Some of them to say they get the kind necessary insurance where they supposed to get in place at that time. They no go they complain now. You know, all those kind of shop where they go bug with to say they get normal fire and burglary insurance, all this team insurance now they don't follow their insurance company talk, various companies, and now they don't process their claim. So that's why they always try to use this platform, this avenue to follow people talk, make we advise them, all this kind of thing. Now the people they always look say insurance, no, now God be my insurance.
So if the begin happen today, Shehu, in less than 30 seconds, if the begin happen today, how long it go take you to help that person bring them back to speed on top 100 level when we did before it happened?
Well, we are talking once documentation not complete, because insurance and documentation. Once documentation not complete and you don't submit everything within 1 week, we'll process your claim.
Wow, within 1 week.
Yes.
And the documentation what they talk about now the receipt. If now fire can't happen to the house, you know, so if you get the receipt, not all of us they put our things for bank. Talking about documents.
Yes.
And you want to provide receipts.
Fire don't this straightforward. Yes, we go use, you know, say when we get all those information, we get them for your file with our office. So based on what's in that file for our office, we'll take and process, because we know say you know if you access and make everything done born.
Yeah. Wow.
All right, then we gotta leave matter for here this afternoon. Thank you so much, Shehu Ayede. But even as we tell you bye this afternoon on top of the show, for those where they listen to us this afternoon, what think go be your words to them onto insurance level?
Well, me I go advise say insurance. Me I go advise our people. All people, most people where me I know where they close to, especially my friends, they pick up insurance, and I always advise them, and they always see the benefit at the long run. You know, most of them they will talk say no. But when I explain, give them and then take them up. Anytime they don't get small issue like those ones we get motor and they don't get claim, and they always see the benefit, and they've never regretted taking insurance. So my advice to the general public is for them to try as much as possible. When they consider say you won't get property, you won't acquire property, or you won't buy motor, they always factor the cost of insurance into it. And once you don't acquire that property, insurance. And I tell you, you will never regret doing that.
All right, then. So
thank you so much, brotherly.
Complaint address and the website just before we come out. Shehu.
Okay, if you follow them on top their website, www.greatnigeriaplc.com, www.greatnigeriaplc.com, and don't forget then day 8 Omo Sage Street for Awolowo Road for Ikoyi. So if you want to show face for that level, if you relate to them for that side, and you go get all the details where you want. And
for Shehu Ayede, will be we guest this afternoon from the marketing department for Great Nigeria Insurance PLC. You want follow and relate after this program 0802 323 6760 0802 323 6760. And addition saying go happy to fit here and let you know plenty more as they take consign this level.